Pay you got such you promise I bear me pay.
Kami mut ban ong ba baro arngut ki bahai maya. Laya pide.
Ki khubor ka bate si TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ki Samla ka themri bhoi ki puli ha kishlam puli ba phera pher. Kilayashim binta hagran san bin inya da ni ka Dorbar ki Samla. Kabla kum ka district level Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament kabla longari bhoi college ha kharwetuk lober 8000 ar phunreu. Ka Viksit Bharat Youth Parliament kadigaran san ka ba ailar ki Samla ban penpau ki jingmut jing perkhat jongki ha ki jinga kren ki ba kongsan shaphangkari halo ka phang 50 years of emergency lesson for Indian democracy kumju ru ban ai jingmut kat kum ki jinga jongki ha ka be dei bar ki jingin tiyo yakari. Kajing thumu jongani ka program ko long ban pinchlo ki Samla ban nishim benta hagi jinga tai ban pin inya ban ai jingmut kat kum ki jinga jongki na ka benta ka thong Viksit Bharat at 2047 yagari ka Dorbar ki Samla la pin long da ka National Service Scheme NSS Unit Ribhoi College ringkar ka jinga snok tilang ka Office of Deputy Director jong ka Mai Bharat Ribhoi District hagabakut jong ka jinga pin inya la samru ki kusnam shikinong job hagabo Gaurov Kumar Barwa ulalong ula adu kan ba Samla Lamphrang tensong ulawan hagakadan ka baar bar Wanmi Rosel Makdo ulawan hagakadan ka balay.
50 years ago, this country which we live in today was not the same. It faced a lot of hardship, troubles and crisis, and living in this country at that time was very, very hard. Ladies and gentlemen, that happened because of the national emergency. The Article 352 declared the national emergency in our country. That was the reason that made India face that type of problem. Though the emergency lasted for 2 years, from 1975 to 1977, but it changed the entire country. It changed the thinking of every people of the country. It changed the thinking of the youth, because at that time, the press was censored. Opposition leaders was being jailed, and many people, the ordinary people, was being shut down. That was, ladies and gentlemen, the national emergency. When we think of national emergency, we doesn't think what had happened to our country. But we think how it shaped the mindset of the youth of the country. We, as a youth of this generation, the Viksit Bharat youth, we must have a thinking, a positive thinking, that what happened in the past, what we have changed in the future, and how, as a youth of this generation, we can change the mindset of the coming generation.
I must have missed something very interesting. You were saying the art of presenting yourself, your views, your opinions, participating in the youth parliament. So I think it's a very dynamic environment that I'm visiting today, and gives me extreme pleasure to be gathered and address bright young minds who are here to learn the art of conversation, to learn the art of presenting yourself, your point of view. So I think it's a very relevant program in collaboration with my government. I think we all know, and we give, I think without assuming too much, I gather that most of the participants here today are very much aware of the concept or the tagline of my Yuva Bharat or my Viksit Bharat. Okay, are you all aware of that? Do you know what we mean by Viksit Bharat? Yes or no? Yes. Have you ever looked up? Have you ever Googled the meaning of Viksit Bharat? What is it? What is it about? We're looking at a vision. Viksit Bharat is a vision of India 2047, where we would have achieved that vision that our Prime Minister had envisioned for the country, a developed country where everyone is given the opportunity to prosper.
Ladies and gentlemen, 50 years ago, democracy was crushed under the shadow of powers and fear. Voices were silent, fundamental right was suspended, hope itself seemed fragile. Today, I live in a nation, and Unfortunately, when many of those problems still exist, people sometimes feel that the shadow of emergency continues to affect democracy even after 50 years. I stand before you not to accuse, but the nation asks, is democracy truly alive when citizens who cushion government policies are jailed? Is democracy strong when rapists roam freely while justice is delayed? Is democracy secure when illegal immigration continues without any strong action? When the state of Meghalaya, people of Meghalaya, a sensitive border state, demand inner line permit to protect the land, to protect their identity. If ILP exists in the western state, why not Meghalaya? Where is the accountability today when the food price rise, the GST increase, the burden on daily essentials, like the silent war fought not in border, but in every kitchen? If India promised equality to all its citizens, why do people from North-East still face racism and discrimination in their own country? Do they not deserve equal right, equal dignity and equal protection? These questions are not accusations. They are the heartbeat of Indian democracy. The greatest lesson of 1975 is that democracy does not belong to any political party. It does not belong to any single leader. The Indian democracy belongs to the people.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.